So today we begin our testing of the Hollyland Lark M1. It has been connected to the GoPro, and I have kept the gain standard, just no changes out of the box, removed the both transmitter and receiver and fitted it. There is this one more thing which is going to be interesting today. I have chosen the spot which is civil lines in Prayagraj, and this is considered to be the well laid out and posh area. And we have been very lucky to have this some kind of procession. I think it is a wedding procession, and that will really help us to test the mic levels. The GoPro settings are the new 5.3K resolution, which is in 8.7 aspect ratio. So we get a chance to test that also. Also, if you notice, it is late evening. The lights are fully on. So now we have got a combination of the street lights and the various shop lights which are there on the sides. Now the shop lights are really well designed, well made, colorful, but the street lights are very harsh. And we will also check up how the GoPro fares against these artificial lights in completely automatic settings. So this is the full frame of default settings. Okay, let us go little closer to this wedding procession. The wedding processions in this part of the town, this part of the country are really loud. So we should expect some kind of problem while recording the voice. Let us see how severe it gets as we get closer to it. Okay, we shall get a better view from the other side of the road, which is precisely what I am going to try. Okay, so we are right in the middle of things, in front of the band. It is only after we finish the recording that we will be able to see if how good the voice has been captured. Okay, let me try to get a little bit ahead of the procession. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we are back on the main road. This is a nice stretch of the footpath where we have this huge, harsh, bright, blinding lights coming from this swanky new showroom which has been just recently opened. Probably if I am clicking in this light, I'm shooting in this light, I should be better off trying to get the EV down a single notch. So let me see, as I come back, I'll try this option out. Now a little quieter over here, but still you can hear the background music going on. Let's see how good the sound is filtered out over here.
कोचिंग लगा लेता हूँ मैं।
We are back in the streets, and sometimes if you see some vehicle coming from the wrong side, you will have the headlights glaring straight away into the lens, and the street lights are on the right side of the road. You might find a little bit of up-down movement in the camera because I have not been able to be comfortable with the walking settings yet. I mean, what should the speed of the walk and how to control the up-down movement and all such issues. So right now, if there is a too much bit of a shake, you have to just endure with me.